Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick little house tour. All of the doors, custom doors. You can dress the house with any style for your local market that you prefer. I want to show you the ceiling here. These are different drop ceilings. You can do any ceiling. Everything here, we just put some drywall on and did some different finishes with drop ceiling and some light fixtures in there, as well as some LED lighting recessed in there. One of the things I love, these are floating stairs, heavy-duty steel stairs, modern design, classic design, any style. Take a glance at the bedroom, one of the bedrooms, closet area in here. Again, these are fixed to the wall, same thing, everything affixed to our walls just like you would in a standard house. You can kick our walls, you can burn our walls, fireproof, tornado-proof, rock-mold-proof, waterproof. Take a quick glance at our balcony, glass rail balconies, metal steel rail balconies, whatever you like. Factory in Asia, and here we assembled a house. This is about 6 years ago using our CSIP econel panel system. Okay, the reason I'm showing you this is because I want to show you this was done 6 years ago to the culture for this area, but our houses can be any style, any size, any shape, and the finishing, we have hundreds of different finishes from wood to wood polycarbonate, WPC boards, vertical siding, vinyl siding. On some of the side walls, you can see we just did our stone paint, which is just painted right on top of our panels. You can see different cladding systems. So what's nice is a super quick, super efficient way to finish these houses. These are large steel insulated panels that just tongue and groove together. So we can supply this with the house. You could do internal wall finishes with this and external wall finishes. But obviously you could just paint the walls, stucco, whatever you like. But any style, any size, any finish, any design could be applied to our structure. One of the ways that my partner likes to explain it is the house is like a person's body. And then you could put different clothes on. So if you like your style, we can dress the house in the clothes of the style that you love in your local market. People talk about insulation, insulative value. We have incredibly high R values just for our panels alone. But let's say you were in Russia, you wanted to add some extra insulation. We could do 2-inch, 3-inch, 6-inch external foam panels just like these to go right over our panels, tongue and groove quickly together, and you've got a double insulated house. I want to introduce you to our apple pod house. But again, we could have a different floor. The walls, they're very nice. And we could change this as well. We could clad these with any style finish. Electrical is already pre-run, plumbing pre-run. The glass here, you can see in this unit, you can see out, you can't see in, it's mirrored glass. Great soundproofing. The small unit's great for little work cubicles out in the yard, a little micro office, security booth, check booth, nice queen-size bed here, bathroom in the middle, couch over here, and a whole living area over there. So fantastic units. This is our smallest unit. They come finished like that. Again, I wanted to show you the size of the different units. This is our second size. We have a slightly larger, which is about 1 foot in each direction larger than this. And then they go to here and they extend all the way up to 40 feet. But come take a look inside. Metal finish. This could be any color. It doesn't need to be all glass like this, but it can be. It could be different doors. It could be one window and a small door. Whatever type of finish you need. But these are our apple pod houses. Like I said, multiple sizes, multiple styles, but a wonderful product. We're looking forward to shipping. We've got lots of these available for shipping today. Let us know.